We recently purchased this old ranch, and I'm going to take you through the house before we start working on all the updates. I slowed the video down a little bit so we can kind of just see how everything looks. So as you walk in through the front door, this is what they would consider the mudroom. You see the old sink, the old paintwork there. And then from the mudroom, it takes you directly into the dining room. So here we see old cabinetry. I'm planning on keeping all that cabinetry and, well, most of the cabinetry and just kind of, trying to fix it. So this is the dining room and the windows, new vinyl flooring. And then here are the old cabinets. Planning on keeping most of these and just refinishing them, fixing them because some of them are kind of falling apart. This is the view from the kitchen, which is what made me fall in love with the house. So here I'm just trying to show you the colors of the wood. And that's the door to the porch. And then this is the pantry. So here we can open up the pantry, and I'm planning on expanding this pantry and making it a little bit bigger, and taking that door out and possibly putting a different door. I'm not sure yet exactly what I want to do with this space, but for sure going to make it a little bit more spacious. And then around the corner here, I'm planning on getting rid of those cabinets because I really don't have a need for them. Around the corner here, we enter the bedroom. The previous owner stated that she recently remodeled this maybe about 2 years ago, but we are planning on changing it up again. And then from the bathroom, we come back out and we head into the living room. So this is all the old carpeting that we were already starting to rip out, but I wanted to kind of record our progress first before we ripped all of it out. So there you can see it's all cut up because we were already ripping it up. So all that carpeting is going to get removed. Planning on removing all of that. Shelving, cabinets. Like I said, I really don't have a need for all of these cabinets, so most of that's going to get torn out. Then over here we have another sitting area, a smaller in front of the fireplace with another door to another porch. So there's the fireplace. That's going to get a little bit redone. Wood is staying, but the tile and stuff is probably going to get taken out and replaced with something else. And then from there we head into, this would be the master bedroom. So carpeting, all that, it's going to get removed from here as well. And here's a dresser that the previous owner was kind enough to leave for us because I really like those vintage dressers. They're very cute. And this closet will be taken out. Here we have my fiance taking out the carpet. And I'll walk over here just to show you what's underneath all this. So underneath the carpet, there are hardwood floors. There they are, and we are planning on restoring these. So we ripped up the carpet, and then this is what we found underneath. It does have hardwood floors. Here. It has this like different color square in the middle. Because I'm guessing there used to be a wall there that ran there, and this used to be a room, its own bedroom. But then this was an addition in the 70s, and this has no hardwood floor, which I'm guessing will be the same for that bedroom because that also was an addition. So we're in the kitchen, and I got curious because I wasn't planning on keeping this vinyl flooring, even though she said it was only 2 years old. So I got curious and we started peeling back the vinyl, and that's what I found underneath. And I actually kind of like this Taiwan one. It's not everyone's style, but I'm very into 70s, so I like it, but unfortunately it is missing a piece here, and then there's gashes everywhere, so unfortunately it's gonna have to get peeled off and then replaced with whatever we pick. Still not sure yet, but yeah, what happens when you buy an old house? You start uncovering random things. And here we have some gapping in the wood flooring, but not a big deal, we can fix that.